Alright everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make $30 per hour just by watching videos online. This is a great way to supplement your income, or if you've got enough time to do it, this could even replace your full-time income. So I'm really excited to introduce you to 7 websites that I use myself and a lot of my peers use to generate income online just by doing what they like, watching videos. So I'm going to take you through 6 sites that allow you to earn money while watching videos. Each is a bit different, so the best for you will probably vary depending on your goals. So the first one here is Swagbucks. In particular, Swagbucks videos. So as you can see here, you can watch videos to earn points. So you earn, here 3 Swagbucks points for watching 22 videos. Um, once you watched all of these videos, then you earn the respective points. Once your points have reached a high enough balance, then you can cash them out to earn gift cards for some of the biggest retailers, including Walmart and Amazon. Or if you prefer, you can simply get those points paid out straight to your PayPal account through PayPal Cash. So it's quite good. The videos are quite varied, and they include things like entertainment, travel, and more. So you can pick what interests you and just watch those videos. Swagbucks is a really large site. They're one of the biggest for paying out people online for watching videos or doing surveys. I think at this time they've paid out about $275 million to their users. So it's really great, and I highly recommend this one. The next one here we've got is Inbox Dollars. So this site lets you earn rewards for watching TV, shopping, and taking surveys. Um, one great way for brands to give consumers what they want is by receiving consumer input in the first place. So this is basically what it provides those retailers there. Basically, companies have partnered up with Inbox Dollars so they can learn what people like or dislike about their products. So they're paid directly by the brands, and then Inbox Dollars pays you for your feedback and your time and your effort. So you can see here over $57 million in cash rewards paid so far. Great reviews by their members and some of their partners here. So yeah, it's a really great site. On top of that, you do get paid $5 upon sign up, which is great. So you get started straight away earning money just for joining them. The next one we have here is called MyPoints. So this is another website which, on top of rewarding you for videos, can also reward you for taking surveys, printing coupons, and playing games. The minimum withdrawal for MyPoints, though, is $25. But, there's a variety of ways here to earn, so I don't think it would be that difficult to get there. I mean, it's not that difficult. So, if you're a fan of watching videos anyway, it's a pleasant way to earn some rewards. And if you want to put a bit more time in and do some surveys and whatnot, you can earn a little bit more there. So similar to Swagbucks, they're partnered with big companies, and you can redeem for gift vouchers for things like Amazon, American Airlines, Best Buy, Bath, and Body Works, and then once again cash for PayPal. So really easy to sign up. They're their partners, and once again, same as the other one, same as Inbox Dollars. You get $5 as a first-time user. So as soon as you sign up, you get $5. It's really great. The next one here is Fusion Cash. So in just a couple of minutes, you can be signed up real quick. They basically come up straight away. You enter your details, and there you go. You get a $5 bonus for signing up. And they've got videos, tasks, surveys, and whatnot. So it's not just the videos again. But this site has no processing fees or anything that can eat away your profits. And with this site, you'll have the option of getting paid either through checks, direct deposit, or PayPal. So it's a bit easier there. And also, as you can see here, Fusion Cash has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. So, it's a really trusted website and a really good one to get started with as well. Here we come to Perk TV. So, if you're still looking for ways just watching videos to earn money, then Perk.tv is a great website. It has hundreds of gift cards for you to choose from with the reward system. Once you get enough perk points to cash in. So, and with this site, if you'd rather take your chances, you can earn or purchase perk tokens with your points or by completing tasks. So those tokens can then be used to enter perk sweepstakes, and with that you can win prizes like an Xbox or PlayStation console or bigger gift cards and iPhone. So it's really cool. Once again, you can see here they've got plenty of videos, full-on movies to watch as well. So it's really basically you're just entertaining yourself and being rewarded for doing it. Okay, so the last one is a platform that everyone should know, and that is Netflix. So basically, Netflix can pay you to categorize their shows for them on their platform. So these opportunities, unfortunately, aren't always available. But Netflix sometimes hires content taggers. And what they do is, so you basically categorize all the shows on Netflix for them, and they reward you. Basically, you're responsible for finding movies and shows that fit into their categories and help all the other viewers around the world find something appropriate to watch quickly. So, you are hired by Netflix, so it is like a job, but it's still all online, and you're still getting paid to just watch videos on Netflix and then put them into a category, or just put them into a category full stop. So yeah, that's another great way to earn money online just by watching videos. And hey, I mean, with so many people using Netflix, it's you can just be getting paid just while watching your regular entertainment. So yeah, that about wraps it up. Those are 6 ways that I use and that some of my friends and colleagues use to earn money online by watching videos. I hope you found this video useful. Give it a like if you did, and I'll see you on the next one.